Hello everybody, welcome back to another design team project for Scrapping for Less. Today I am making an elegant shaker card in less than 2 minutes. So this beautiful paper is by Prima. It came in the September Flavor of the Month card kit, and it was so beautiful I thought it didn't really need a lot of added stuff to make a pretty card. So I'm using the stitched reversed scalloped circle die from Lawn Fawn. This is from their newest release. If you are looking for some staple dies, I would highly recommend the circles and the rectangles. I am in love with this die set. So I just simply die cut that out and I added some 3M foam tape. I used my embossing tool there to make sure that the sequins didn't stick to the sides of the foam tape. I'm adding a bunch of sequins, so I used the gold package with the leaves and the yellow sequins. I picked out some orange sequins from one of the sequin packs and then a few of these maroon ones because there is maroon butterflies in the pattern paper. So I'm just kind of seeing how much I wanted that filled. You saw me kind of holding up that panel a couple times. I didn't get it quite as full as I wanted to the first time, so I added some more. I'm going to use this Thankful die that came with the banana split level, and I just cut that out of some gold foil cardstock from my stash and added that right to the middle of the opening there. And that's the card for today, a 2-minute shaker card. Isn't it pretty? Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Bye.